Minglabashi, a good Kamaro, collocation question heka, transportation, sustainable transportation, so apoclivo, Pelukia, Australia, you do GG, so Dima, skim and scan, or transportation, or traffic congestion, or Danuli by bicycle, or public transit to Paris, or Dalia transportation, and Patate Jani Kimibono, Sapalaya. A sustainable transportation system is one in which people's needs and desire for access to jobs, commons, recreation, culture, and home are accommodated using a minimum of resources. Sustainable transportation systems applying principles of blend through transportation will reduce pollution generated by gasoline power engines, noise, traffic congestion, land devaluation, urban sprawl, economic segregation, and injury to drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists. So, Dali, Bono, the Shema Pure, the Hali, Bono, public, sustainable public system, Potome solution, pollution, the Gari, pollution, reduce Bari, County Hali, Bono, Bali, the Pianis, Yoga. Diniyama, Pathayamres, UG, Akupioni, sustainable transportation system at Jampionia, so Dinama, Bali Terminal. Principle of blend, so principally now of car or prepositions or dinali now, now sustainable can now hold suitable color adjective, so sustainability bejan. So, sustainable transportation. Sustainability to transportation to in addition, the cost of commuting, shipping, housing, and goods will be blend. So, that appear cost of Dali to upon Macau Nali Pure, no pollution reduce reduce pit on noise to traffic congestion, the cost of commuting reduce back will be reduce back increase the cutting. Ultimately, in a sustainable San Francisco, almost all trips to and blank the city will be on public transit, foot or bicycle, as well a good part of trips to the large Bay region. So, San Francisco, Mali, sustainable public transportation system, trips to and blank the cities, to and to Mahonamu, to and from, sorry, a day there, Dinia Gani Hunia, or Dinia Gani Hunia, Lupura, Hutuka, or Dinia Gani Hunia, Nakubem Hono, the mute coolum, you doing the coolum, waiting Suralia city, Dinia Gani, you doing the cooling, you doing the coolum, no, and I knew you. To and from so Diniagani now the name BB. So to and within the cities or Diniagani city the Kulong Bono. Walking through street designed for pedestrians and bicycles will be more pleasant than walking through those designed for the automobile. Street front retail and commercial establishment will prosper from the large blend of foot traffic drawn to environment enhanced by trees. Appropriately designed street furniture, street light, bicycle racks, benches, and the like, and other people. So, dinali ma bali people. So, largely she large liter of food traffic. Mahona liters ra weight kajaro pamana weight ka alleging force column food traffic volume so volume will rents and property costs will be lower as land for off-street parking is no blend required or needed. So Dali don't nebo a young public transportation system don't so parking tama so require or needed so no lem lularo don't so change it on no longer little no car no life so confirm look if it's a clear GG out, repeat along